Probably like 160. Well, I don't know. He's been weighing around like 163. Get your head Come on, Ethan!
I don't think they care.
Going like 88. And that'll happen in 5 minutes. Yeah.
Maybe you can go tell them they're wrong.
So I said, I'm going to say stare because I was ready to go. All you're going to do is get distracted and like run into something. Trying to keep it simple. Oh my God. He insisted on driving. So we got somewhere. I said, here's my car. Stop at Walmart. I said, we're at the big Walmart. I said, Walmart closed. Get the Walmart insert that. Don't slide that because I don't want to have to do it. Okay. Walmart closed. Because they're getting us on your card. I just tapped it. It never asked me for it. So you just not even all this stuff in it. Pressure! Not even one of them. Come on, Ethan. He said, do you want to wait until he gets himself out? Oh, we took it. Holy crap.
Everyone coming down the right hand, all representatives of the league.